The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey, Los Angeles Police Department and the California Emergency Management Agency. Anyone who was within or has experienced the 7.5 quake in Ridgecrest and within a 115-mile radius should evacuate immediately. Nuclear weather, fires, collapsing buildings and landslide has made this zone uninhabitable temporarily, and as such, requires all citizens to evacuate. If you are in a shelter, do not go out. Call 800 Food Water for Essentials. 911 is out of service and as such, a 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued for Los Angeles County, Hawthorne County, Ridgecrest County and Hollywood. Aftershocks are imminent and non-avoidable. If a relative or friend you know is injured or stuck in any rubble, call the alternate emergency line 822. Stay tuned to KNBC, the National Weather Service, and other outlets for more instructions and news. Thank you.